In this video, we'll show how you can do in-place editing in a list control. So you can see here we have a simple list control that's based on some static data, and the list control right now is read-only. You can't actually edit any of the data in the list. So let's go back into design mode right now, and we'll go to list properties, and we'll go here and we'll turn on in-place editing. And then we'll go over here to set our in-place editing properties. So we can see here that we're going to allow the list row to be put into edit mode by double clicking on it. We're going to specify that we're only going to edit one row at a time, and we're going to specify that the width of the icons that are used to put the list into edit mode is 100 pixels. We can also customize the icons that are used to put the list row into edit mode, and we can also define certain events here that fire when the list is put into edit mode. So we'll go ahead now and we'll run this, then we'll go over to our list layout and we'll add the in-place editing icons in the first column. So we'll go there, and now let's switch over to run mode, and we'll see now that basically each column in the list has a set of icons which we can use to put that row into edit mode. This cancels editing, and then basically this commits the changes that we've made. So if I go there and make an edit and then commit, basically there we go. We also specified that we can double click on a row to put it into edit mode. So here we go, double click to put it into edit mode, double click again to take it out of edit mode, and commit the changes. In this particular case, we specified one row at a time. So when this row is in edit mode, as soon as I put a second row into edit mode, this row will go back into read-only mode. If we were to go back to our list properties here, we can go here and we can change the list properties to allow multiple rows at once. And so now when we go back to run the list control, we can see that we can now put multiple rows into edit mode all at the same time. And then we can also add new rows into the list by clicking on the plus icon. So there's an empty new row. We can go there and just type in some junk and then commit it, and you can see now we've added a new row into the list. So using the in-place editing allows you to easily edit the data in a list, and at this point you can see that by default each of the controls used to edit the data in the list is a simple text box. But in subsequent videos we'll show how you can create drop-down controls, auto-suggest controls, edit combo controls, text area controls, and date pickers for the various columns in your list. Thanks very much for watching.